How to fix Epic Games not sending verification code. So first of all, you have to make sure that the Epic Games server is working properly or it's not down. Now to check the Epic Games server, open up the new tab and in the search bar simply type in Epic Games server. Now you can simply open up this downtime detector to check whether the Epic Games server is down or not. Here it says user reports indicate no current problems at Epic Games Store. But in case if there is any problem in Epic Games Store, they will say that the server is down, so you have to wait until they fix this issue in Epic Games server. And if that's not your case and there is no any problem in Epic Games Store, now what you have to make sure is that the email that you're using to log into Epic Games is not linked with any other Epic Games account. Only one email can have one Epic Games account. So if you have linked your email with other Epic Game account, you have to remove that email from the previous account and then now link this email with this account. After that, check whether you will be able to receive the verification code or not. If still not, then you have to make sure that you have not blocked Epic Games from your email address. If you have blocked the Epic Games from your email address, you won't be able to receive any kind of verification code whenever you are trying to log in. If you have blocked it, simply unblock it and then try to log in back to Epic Games. And if that's not the case, then you have to make sure that you haven't tried to access or get the verification code multiple times. If you have tried to get the verification code multiple times, then the Epic Game will block you from getting the verification code. So you have to wait for another 24 hours to get the verification code. So this is how you can fix the verification code not receiving in Epic Games. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.